Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, connect your Xbox One controller and confirm it is firmware updated. Open Mortal Kombat 1, go to Options right arrow controller settings and choose a layout. Classic maps light, medium, heavy to RB, RT, and Y, while alternate swaps these to X, Y, RB. Use the left stick or D-pad for movement and crouch. Use RT for heavy attack, RB for medium attack, and RT plus RB for combined strikes. Save the profile to a slot. Turn on vibration and adjust input buffer to 812 ms for responsive timing. Master blocking and spacing. Hold LT to block and press left stick plus A to perform a roll evade. These two defensive tools are essential to stop pressure. The super meter has 3 bars. Spend bars for EX moves, enhanced combos, or a fatal blow when below 35% health on the 3rd bar. Learn a basic 4-step combo pattern. Light, medium, heavy, special, for example RB, RT, Y, forward plus X, and then add meter to convert the last hit into an EX finisher for extra damage. Use training mode first. Enable hitboxes, record dummy behavior, and practice fatal blow and fatality inputs. Many fatalities require exact sequences like back, forward, Y, RT at precise ranges. For real matches, choose online rank to climb ladders, casual for low-pressure practice, and local play for latency and controller checks. Manage match flow by baiting with normals, punishing whiffs, and using meter for defensive EXs. When victorious, enter the fatality string exactly when the prompt appears and stand at the on-screen indicated distance to execute the finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.